too hard. Well, that was a complete waste of time.
What you doing?
Just trying to solve your Rubik's Cube.
Well, did you?
No. Hey Boris, you want anything?
Nah, I'm good.
Alright. You solved it?
Yeah.
That was quick. How'd you do it?
It's that easy, Lare.
You solved it? Brain teaser might help me wake up. Fuck this, whatever. I gotta take a piss anyway. Got my go-go juice. Down this shit.
Morning, Lare.
Morning, Boris. Seriously?
It's that easy, Lare.
I'm gonna figure you out.
What's up, guys? It's Lucas MGP. I'm back at it. I've had this obsession recently with these cubes that are covered in colors, you know? I don't know if you guys have heard of them. It's the Rubik's Cube.
This is supposed to be for children.
You grab the cube, twist up, down, up, down. It took me about eight and a half hours to figure this one out. And if you guys haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe. I'm making content every single week now.
Man, fuck this shit. Wretched cube! I hate you! Fuck! 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 I can't.
What the hell was that guy's problem? It was that easy, Larry.